Hi, I'm Chris. Welcome to another video on the channel. And today we're going to try out one of the most viral trends on social media, which is turning our, well, not just a photo, ourselves into a collectible character or figurine. I'm sure you've seen it on some social network. But today I'm going to check with you using a photo of myself if this really works, if we can actually do it with ChatGPT, and stay until the end because honestly, some of the results have blown my mind. What's going on with this trend in the past few weeks? Are social networks really full of characters turned into collectible figurines? The most curious thing is that they're not just simple photos. I'm going to share with you here that ChatGPT now creates a complete box of personalized accessories related to the profession or personality we tell it about. And of course, I had to try this out to really see how it worked. All right, so we have the ChatGPT version here. And what we're going to do is, first we're going to do a test. All right, let's make a professional action figure. Let's start with something simple. What we have to do is upload a photo of ourselves. All right, now yes, here we have the photo. We would open the photo, okay? And you can write just like this. The text I'm going to put here. Turn me into a premium action figure inside a toy box. Add accessories related to my job. If your ChatGPT knows you, it will add them. If not, it will put something random for you. Let's try and see what comes out at random. There we go. It made this for me. So ChatGPT decided to put INA on me, which is a tattoo I have here. And it made, well, it includes professional tools, high quality adhesives, passion, dedication, trust, empathy. Okay, does it think I do injections, Botox, or something like that? To be completely honest with you, I have absolutely no idea how that works. Just imagine for a moment if I were to decide to close this entire application right now and then explain to it, okay, that is fine, but you have to understand that I actually work, and specifically, I spend my time working on the YouTube platform. And let's see what it shows us. It made the version for us. Also, it gave me the version. I think INA stayed because it saw it tattooed here and just put it in for me. It actually made it specifically for us. The YouTube version is really, really good because if you look closely, the various accessories it comes with are the high quality camera, the external mic, the silver laptop, and even the soft cushion. The light, the ring light, video ideas, and then at the bottom it says it includes passion, creativity, ideas, decoration, community, consistency. You are the brand, and a YouTube plaque. I mean, tell me, couldn't this easily be a store? Yes or no? Therefore, I think that creating this character adapted to what you do is the best. So remember, to be able to do this, it's very important that you enter the prompt. This, turn me into a premium action figure inside a toy box and add accessories related to my work. And tell it what you do for work, and that way you'll have it. Let's do another test, okay? Come on, let's make an action figure. Let's raise the level a bit and change the prompt. The prompt now would be, turn me into a modern superheroine inside a collector's box. I've seen this a lot too. Let's paste the prompt here. Oh, I missed a C, but well, I hope it still works. Okay, now it's turning us into the superheroine. Let's see what it does. Here we have it. We've got it, I mean, it made us a superheroine version, but in a YouTube style. Like I said, here you just tell it what you want. In this box, well, in the end, I made it a superheroine. It gave us a vibe, a dress as if it were, I don't know, somewhere between Catwoman with the idea with the tattoos. Everything is really cool. And the accessories. It has little hands below for the accessories, so you can change the hands. And it has its slogan, not only creates, but changes realities. My superpower is making the impossible. Have a published button to launch both. In this section, you have the option to say the specific phrase you want it to display. And you can also choose the various accessories. For instance, if you want it to be holding shovels, or if you want it to be, well, we can say, I don't really know, it could potentially carry a protective shield for defense. Now, it has made us the shield, well, it has made us a personalized shield. It's like I was saying, in the end, whatever we ask for, it does. I think it's super cool. I mean, I had never seen my own doll, but here it is. I'm going to say, turn me into an action figure based on my personality and choose your accessories. ChatGPT. ChatGPT and I already have a pretty close relationship, and It is my sincere hope and deepest wish that it creates it with a lot of love. Because in the end, what I have done is simply instructed it to do it in whatever way it believes would be the best way possible. It has followed the same YouTube dynamic. It put me in, well, let's see, it put me in some pants, some Nike sneakers. It knows I like Nike sneakers. It put me, well, phrases that are very much mine, I have to say that. But for example, and below it put some really cool photos, which it knows I like. Imagine if I now say to it that I want to do it, I don't know. One last example, let's say I'm a hairdresser. Well, so as not to confuse the chat, I'll just say it. I'd like to see myself as a hairdresser. Which version creation? Maria, shall we go? Now, yes, we've got it. What it did was add some touches. Fuchsia. If you really want the fuchsia box, we would have to tell it, I want the outer box. Fuchsia. But anyway, I think it's great the way it turned out. In fact, it's making me want to become a hairdresser. All right, so this would be the real example of everything we've seen. I don't know if you can tell me which is your favorite version that you've seen. And also, listen to me for a second. In the next video, we're going to do something even crazier. We're going to turn my character into Pixar-style cartoons or video game characters, or see which one looks the most realistic, okay? So don't miss the next video so we can do more experiments like these, which are super viral. And I'm going to give you the perfect and suitable prompts so you can do it yourself. So that's all from me. I'm Christy, and I'll see you in the next video.